another thing that you have might be, can you allow yourself to mess up? Mess it all up? Can you allow yourself to make a bad video? That's hard, right? Can you allow yourself? How would it feel for you to like make a bad video? You wouldn't like it, right? You fight against it. The more you fight against it, what you resist persists. It's not that you will make bad videos. What I'm saying, you will not be as free. You can be more free. You can make more free if you allow yourself. But also, what's even better is that you will feel more free doing the videos instead of getting depleted.
Yeah.
Because you put so much pressure on you, right?
Yeah.
Where do you feel that pressure in your body? In your heart?
Yeah, I was gonna say like right in this area. Yeah.
Well, can you welcome that feeling right now? Can you welcome all the stress, all the expectations?
I just felt like a shift inside of me when you said that.
Mm-hmm.
Like you're not trying to like run away and like fix that stress, but instead just,
because it's gonna be an addiction. It's gonna be, that feeling is gonna come up in your body of expectations, and you're gonna start running like a maniac. You're gonna start running to make this feeling feel better, because because this feeling is like, no, expectation, no, we gotta be amazing, and then the thoughts come in, okay, I got this. We're gonna be amazing, and then you're like, okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna make this video. I'm gonna make this tapping video. I'm gonna make that. I'm gonna make that. This is gonna give the most value. I'm gonna be the best TikToker. You can't stop me, bitches. You can't stop me. What now? And then you're gonna be, oh man, I feel exhausted. I feel a little bit exhausted. I don't know why I feel exhausted. Because that feeling is still in you, punching you. Be like, no, Terra. We didn't like. Actually, we just wanted you to see us. You keep running around like a maniac. You're leaving your baby behind. Stop leaving your baby behind, lady. You're trying to get lollipops for your baby. Your baby's just left behind, given to a gang. Okay, so can you... So you feel that, right?
Yeah.
You feel this is a huge paradigm shift. If you get this, you are not acting from anxiety anymore. I want you to start acting from your excitement. But to act from your excitement, you have to balance that out so you don't freak out. You balance that out by welcoming it. You understand?
Yeah, no, it makes a lot of sense. Because there, like,
it makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, like I said, there's just like a shift when I'm able to sit with the feelings and not let them run my mind, you know? Like they're there and I acknowledge them without that judgment.
Yeah. So you welcome it. And then you also, it will come up that you'd be like, it'd be so easy to like welcome it and be like, oh my God, I'm amazing at welcoming. I'm amazing. I got this. And then a feeling's going to come up and you welcome it and you're like, okay, can you move? Excuse me, sir. I'm welcoming you. Can you just go? I've been welcoming you for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Welcoming doesn't work. And it works. It's just, the problem is, do you know how it feels for someone if you're like, oh, I welcome you just for you to go away quick? You want to... I know people don't want to feel uncomfortable, but can you be with that uncomfortable feeling? And you don't always, I'm not saying to always do this work. Definitely not, because this is only to balance yourself out. But the main work is to follow your excitement, because this can become an addiction too. Because if you focus your life energy always on healing anxiety, your brain is like, oh shit, we give her a feeling and she makes it feel better. She gets relief from that. Let me give her more feelings. Then because you've been doing that. Look, I'm gonna show you what you've been doing. You've been hiding yourself when you didn't feel good. You've been hiding yourself in the corner like a hurt animal until you were ready to go again, and then you were going crazy again, and you were like, let me go in the corner again, just licking your wounds. And come out again. And it's like, but I do it the right way. I do it the spiritual way, which is, yeah, it's healthier than like taking cocaine and like shooting up drugs.
Yeah.
But it can be also a compulsion.
Yeah.
And this all will help you eventually with coaching people, because what I'm doing with you right now, you can experience, and then you can do it with the people. With the people. Yeah. Do you see your pattern that you kept doing? Do you see it?
Yeah, I liked your analogy of like a hurt animal and you're like in the corner and then I feel better and then I go out and I run around and then I kind of get hurt again in the process of that. I go back to my corner. Like it's that very.
Then these scratching, commenting foxes are like making you bleed and you go back in the corner.
Yeah.
So when the wolves and the tigers and the thing come out and make you bleed, I want you to welcome it, because you're stronger than that, because they only have power over you if you let them have power over you. But if you welcome it, you integrate it, you balance it out. At the same time, this will be healthier for you, because you used to run away from uncomfortable feelings, which most people do because it's uncomfortable, right? It's like society tells us, no, we're not supposed to. Well, why would we have the feelings then? The guidance systems and a lot of spiritual people, even spiritual people who are really successful, they sometimes say things that make you believe that you should not feel those feelings. It's true. The most important thing in life is to raise your vibration, but you can't raise your vibration with resisting and feeling. So actually what I'm doing with the welcoming is raising your vibration.
Yeah.
It is raising your vibration.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, I saw something the other day. I really liked the way this person said it. They said, feeling sad, feeling angry, feeling frustrated, these are not low vibrations. It's feeling greedy and hateful. Those are like, those are what is like low vibe. Your emotions are not low and high vibe like that. And I liked the
but
way
no,
that they
no, 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 no. I mean, I like the first part of it, but no, 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 no. If you say hate and greed and all those things are low vibe, right? What are you going to do if a hateful thought comes up or a hateful feeling in your body?
resist it.
And what are you going to say to yourself? No, I'm not supposed, I'm a spiritual person. I'm not supposed to feel like this. I'm not supposed to hate this person. I'm not supposed to hate this person. That's why I teach people to not identify with feelings or thoughts, because that doesn't say anything about you. You are the awareness. You are the light behind it. So you want to even welcome hate, because you transform it, but you can't transform it. You actually, it's like, even like, okay, this is pretty, let's just say a protest. And we had a lot of protests this year.
Yeah.
Do you think of protests focusing on a thing and resisting is bringing more what you want or less?
I mean, I think protesting helps. I don't know if that's, I don't know
So,
if that's the question you're asking.
So let me show you two different protests, right? Gandhi said, I would never go to an anti-war protest. I would only go to a pro-peace protest. Are you going on the street against racism, or are you going on the street for unity or for equality? I know it seems like, oh no, but we're doing like kind of the same, but I'm telling you, the perspective changes everything.
No, that's a huge perspective shift for sure.
So when you feel feelings that you usually, I want you to judge yourself less. When a feeling comes up, welcome it. Because you've been, like so many people, you've been hard on yourself.
Yeah, well, and that's too, like when I get really hard on myself and I can tell I'm trying really hard, I do that whole like, I shouldn't be trying this hard. Like I should just be able to, just like be, like just let myself be. But in doing that, like I'm not welcoming that feeling.